How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video, I'm going to be showing you some photographs that I'd taken in London last month. Myself and Sheena, we were over at an animal rights march, and whilst I was there, I managed to get some photographs taken, doing some street photography. So these are going to come off this just short wee talk here. So listen, but guys, can I thank you all so much for all your love and support and positive vibes that you sent Sheena. In my last video I mentioned that when we were in Dublin, funny enough, 2 weeks ago, at another animal rights march, by the way, when we were coming away from it, sadly she tripped and she broke 2 of her ribs. Now, we had us wait in the hospital for nearly 11 hours before she was seen and treated. So we found out it was 2 broken ribs. So the past couple of weeks, she's getting better. But she wanted me to let you know, she wanted to send you all love for the positive vibes. Really, really appreciate it. So guys, listen, if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. Big shout out to all the new subscribers. You're very, very welcome. And of course, all the old subscribers, you know you're always welcome. So what I'm going to be doing here, guys, I'm going to be doing weekly videos again. So just wanted to send you my thanks for hanging in there with me. And I really, really appreciate you here on this journey. Many of you are saying you aren't getting notifications of the videos. So basically, if you head onto the subscribe button, you'll see there's a wee notification bell. Just click on it. And then that way you're going to get notifications of each of the videos. So guys, listen, have a fantastic week ahead. It's a Sunday afternoon. I hope life is treating you fantastic. And I'll see you in the next video. Cool guys, thank you very much for watching. What was the weather like? Sunshine, showers at the minute. Getting ready to head back to Belfast. So if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. You can check me out on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and all that jazz. And give the video a wee like if you like it, and share it on the social media platforms. Send you love from London, and I'll see you in the next video.